Hi, my name's Joe Luther. I am Keystone Hideout Brand Manager. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our 28 BHS, how we developed the floor plan and why. We got it through a lot of listening to consumers at shows and found out there's about 5 things on a double bunkhouse model that consumers were looking for. First and foremost, a privacy bedroom for your parents. The kids have their own area, parents have a little bit of privacy during your camping pleasure, which is great. That was one thing we learned. Another thing, they're asking for more storage. So next to the kitchen area here, you can either use it to hang stuff or as a pantry. You've got a lot of storage here in our 28 BHS in the front pantry there. In addition to that, we flip-flopped our sofa and our dinette. Now, why did we do that? Flip-flop our sofa and dinette? Well, first and foremost, the dinette's in the kitchen area, which makes sense, but more importantly, people are sick of looking left, looking right at a TV. Now you have a 50-inch TV right across from your sofa for your viewing pleasure. But also, not just for your people in your sofa, but we also have these double bunks where the kids can watch TV from there too, serving a dual purpose. In addition to that, what else people, the fourth thing that people asked for was, please give us a bathroom on the awning side. Why is that? Well, if the kids are out playing and you have guests over, you're entertaining outside underneath your awning, they don't have to come all the way through your travel trailer and traipse dirt and everything else in it. The bathroom is right there, accessible. They're not going through your whole camper. And last but not least, they wanted a bunkhouse with an outside camp kitchen. So also, you look at this beautiful camp kitchen that we have. That was the 5th and final thing that they wanted. Thank you for going through the 28 BHS Hideout Luxury Travel Trailer model with me today. If you want to check out more, please go to our website at www.keystonerv.com or visit your local Hideout dealer.